Where you are going requires you to access an essence of you and a way of being that you have never been before, a version of you that needs to be awakened and unlocked. So think about the version of you that is already living your desired reality, driving the dream car, living in the dream home, having the successful business, the recurring income, the successful quarterly milestones, everything that revolves your life in that reality that you are pulling in. Where you need to begin is your identity, who you need to become in order to be able to hold it once it arrives. What are her new standards? How does she carry herself? How does she dress? How does she speak? What does she tolerate and what does she not tolerate? What does she expect when she enters a room? Think about all of those little nuances, that essence of her, that when you see her, you just know she's on another level. That is what you need to be tapping into in order to be able to collapse the time between where you are now and where you want to be. The person that you are today is someone that you have had to evolve into. You are not the same person that you were 2-3 years ago because over time you had to evolve. Now you are required to evolve yet again in order to be at the frequency of the things that you are calling in. So think about everything that you are calling in and ask yourself, who do I need to become? What are my new standards? How do I carry myself? How do I present myself? What do I think about myself? When I enter a room, what is the energy that oozes out of me that other people can pick up in an instant? Once you have all of those things clear, it's become inevitable for you to be at that place because you know exactly what you need to work on within yourself and your nervous system and all of the subconscious rewiring. Now, your responsibility is not the how it will happen. It's more along the lines of doing your part around your mindset, your identity, your habits, your behaviors, and all the other actions, the practical actions that need to happen in order for that to come into your reality. Once it arrives, it feels normal. It was just a matter of time because you were already living in her essence before it arrived. That is how you collapse the timeline.